We're going to test out these fruits and veggies to see if they're acid or base. I'll go first. My favorite vegetable. It's bitter. That means it is a base.
Can't believe I'm gonna do this.
I'll get a cup of water.
Yeah, please do. This is gonna be scary. Eating a lemon, guys. That much water?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
It is sour.
Now it's my turn to pick something. And I'm going to pick I'll pick a banana.
Oh, come on.
It's delicious. It is sweet. It's neutral.
A little bit sour. Acid.
I'm gonna try it a different ways.
Are you having lemonade? Let's take both of them out.
Okay, let's taste my lemon water.
Yep, it's totally gonna not taste like water.
Same as his answer, it is an acid, which means it is sour.
And orange. It's a little bit sour.
These fruits and vegetables are
Delicious.
sour or bitter. What is an acid and a base?
Let's say you have a container of water and you added some acid to that water. The acid molecules will release their hydrogen ions and as they release more and more hydrogen ions, it makes the water more acidic. Now if you took a base and you added it to the water, the base will react with any of the hydrogen ions in the water, so there will be fewer hydrogen ions in the water, which makes it more basic. Now if you took an acid and you added it into the water and an equal strength base and added it to the water, the acid and base will react and they will neutralize. So equal strength acid and base makes it neutral. The pH scale. pH equals power or potential of hydrogen and ranges from 1 to 14. A pH of 7 is considered neutral, and anything below 7 is an acid. Anything above 7 is a base. Let's take a look at some common things and their pH. Stomach acid has a pH of 1. Lemons have a pH of 2. Apples have a pH of 3. Tomatoes have a pH of 4. Black coffee has a pH of 5. Milk has a pH of 6. Pure water has a pH of 7. Eggs have a pH of 8. Baking soda has a pH of 9. Hand soap has a pH of 10. Ammonia has a pH of 11. Bleach has a pH of 12. And drain cleaner has a range between 13 to 14.
Acid-base indicators. Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about acid or base indicators. So, first thing we did is we boiled purple cabbage, you can also do red cabbage, and then we strained it to get only the water. And then we put it in these test tubes. And now we have vinegar and baking soda, but it's just in water, so it's, yeah. And now we have an eyedropper, and we're going to drop vinegar into one of them. This one. Now we're going to mix it. Look at that. It's slightly lighter than it was before. Now we're going to add even more vinegar. Look at that. Now it's kind of reddish pink. Now it's red. Now we're going to try the baking soda one. So we have another one filled with the water, and we're going to try to suck up the baking soda water and put it in here. It makes it darker. So, it started out like this. And then from the vinegar, it turned into this. But if we add baking soda water, it turns into this. Totally different. Another way of trying to tell if it's acid or base, we could use litmus paper. So I have red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. And we're going to take 2 pieces of blue litmus paper and put it in the vinegar. It turns red. That's the blue litmus paper. Now we're going to put this one into the base. Baking soda. Look, it doesn't even change color. Now let's put them over here. Now let's try it with the red litmus paper. Now this litmus paper looks exactly like the blue one, but it was in the vinegar. So we take 2 of these. And doesn't that look so familiar? So now we're going to put one of these in the vinegar. Nothing happens. Nothing. Now we're going to put one of these in the baking soda. And it turns the exact same color as the blue one. Now we're going to use the multicolor ones. If it's below 7, then it's an acid, and if it's above 7, then it's a base. And if it's 7, it's neutral. So we're going to take 2 of these off, and then dip one in the vinegar and one in the base. Let's do this one first. It turns green. Now let's look on the bottle here, and this one is 8. And then we're going to take this one and put it into the vinegar. It turns orangey red, so this one would be a 3. We are going to put the vinegar and the base into one of these tubes. So now we are going to take vinegar and put it in. Let's do lots of vinegar. And as you know, it changes color. Now we're going to add baking soda water. And then it erupts purple bubbles. Whoa. Chemical reaction. Well, look at the color change on that. It went from an acid to the base, and it used to be this color, but now it's this color. Look at the change! That's really pretty.